Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sara Plans Life, and today we are planning the week of July 6th through the 12th. I went pretty sticky note crazy this week because I didn't make notes on the things going on this week. Instead, I'm just using all sticky notes. So we got a lot to unpack here. But honestly, the coronavirus cases in the city where my husband works are going up quite a bit. So we are not doing as much. We're not having play dates with my friend and her kids anymore. We're not going to Hawaiian Falls anymore. So I am putting every single mundane thing that I plan on doing this week in my planner because I'm going to use it. Dang it. So that's what's going to happen. If it's something small that's happening, it's going in here. So this week I am using a Cricut Paper Co. kit. It is the Tropicool mini kit. That's tough to say. Tropicool. I also got the washi and date covers as well. I'm excited to use this kit. I kind of show it in a little more detail on my sticker haul video, which will be posted on Wednesday in a couple days. So yes, I'm going to use this kit, and yeah. So I am going to kind of do my outline and my weather, and then I will be right back. Okay, so we are back. That was a hot mess. Look what I did. Oh, I'm so angry. So these washi strips are measured to fit exactly where they're supposed to go on the bottom. The short ones go here, the long ones go here. Well, I wasn't thinking clearly and put this long one over here and then cut it. Look what I did, you guys. My washi is cut. Sorry, don't mind my yucky nails. But, so I put a doodle girl there, if it'll focus on her. Okay, so let's get into the actual planning part here. Let's see. I can't even right now. I'm just so frustrated of the fact that I ripped that flippin' washi. Okay, so I forgot to put this down. I'm tracking every day to make sure I'm taking my vitamins and my birth control for getting ready for a transfer for the surrogacy. I mean, I'm really good about it, but you know, it's something to put in the planner, y'all. Can't wait until I can change that to IVF meds or something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna use these cute ones for my filming and video stickers because, oh man, that is cute. Oh no. I love these stickers. They're that, I think it's a vinyl material, and I love them. They're so easy to reposition and to move around, which is super nice because I am just, I'm so bad at putting stickers down straight, you guys. Like, it's tragic. So it's nice to be able to move them around or reposition them and not have to worry about like ruining the paper. The only thing that's hard is that you do have to use a permanent marker with them, which means that when I'm writing stuff down or if I need to write stuff down on the go, I have to use my Sharpie. But I mean, that's not a huge deal. Usually if I'm out and need to put something down, if I have to use the permanent markers, I'll use a sticky note until I get home, and then I'll put it in with, you know, with a real sticker. Okay. I'm gonna put this one here. So I have room to put a picture here if I decide to put a picture with I got a new photo printer, HP Sprocket, and I just love it. It's so cute. Put this one here. Oh, gosh. And my laptop keeps making noises. Okay, so those are all my filming stickers. And then I don't have anything else going on Monday except for we have a Skype call with the dads. They've actually been watching my videos. Hey guys, shout out. So we've got Skype call. One of the dads called it happy hour when he asked, and I was like, oh my gosh, it is happy hour, because we do tend to, at least my husband and I usually always have like a drink while we're talking to them. So happy hour that day. And then Tuesday, still don't have anything going on because, again, you know, coronavirus and all that fun stuff. But Scotty has Taekwondo. I'll put that here with this blue sticker. Oh no, I like using the same stickers for Taekwondo. So we'll use these cute ones. Taekwondo at 5:45 this night. These nights are so hard with like meal planning. I try to do a crock pot dish on Tuesdays because that's the day when he has Taekwondo late. So like we don't get home until like 6:45 on those nights. So I have no time to make an actual dinner. So it kind of has to be a either crock pot dinner or we will, you know, get like Taco Bell or something on the way home, which I know is so unhealthy, but the kids love it. But we haven't done Taco Bell in a while because it's just I have been able to find some really good slow cooker recipes, so at least I got that going for me. Okay, so Taekwondo here. So yeah, Scotty's been loving doing Taekwondo with his orange belt. He's been so proud of himself. It's so cute because, you know what, now that he's an orange belt, like he's kind of higher up there. I mean, let's not get crazy. He's not super high up. I mean, you know, he couldn't really beat anyone up, but he could try, and that's that's cute. But he's been super proud of himself and loving practicing with his new orange belt, and I'm just so proud of him. It's really hard work. Okay, so the guys have their legal review of their contract on Tuesday. Ooh, now I'm second guessing myself. I'm pretty sure they said Tuesday. They get the contract on Monday and then they have the legal review on Tuesday. And I'm so excited for them. Like, whoa, it's something, dude. Let's go. Yeah. So, I'm not sure like how quickly I'll get the contract after they have their legal review, because I don't think they'll probably have much they need to change. So I'm assuming maybe I'll get the contract sent to me by the end of the week, which will be good because then I could have like the weekend to go over it, because I am a super nerd and I like to print it out, all, 80 pages of it, print it out and really take a good look at it and see what all is on it. I'm like, where's my stuff? Sorry. Okay. Because it's easier for me to be able to read it all the way through, print it out in front of me, and be able to write on it with a pen if there's things I see, or highlight things if there's things I see that I don't quite understand, which last time there wasn't anything in there that I just did not understand. I pretty much understood everything that was in there. But there were a few things that I highlighted that I had questions about. And that's really good to do before you get on the phone with the lawyer, because it's a long contract. And these reviews, basically what they're doing is they are reading the entire contract to you, essentially. They're reading the contract to you and telling you exactly what it says. And so as they're reading through it, it's best if you have things written down saying like, okay, this is a spot I didn't understand. And you can stop them and be like, hey, so what does this mean exactly? Because they don't give you like an overview of the contract. Like they read it line by line. Like my legal review phone call for my last surrogacy was, I was on the phone for 2 hours. And like I didn't have that many questions. So imagine if, he had to read the whole thing to me and I had a bunch of questions. Like, oof. I may not have much space for decorative stickers this week. So yeah, so they have their legal review this day. So I'm hoping I'll get the contract sometime this week. The kids, so last week, Juliette graduated, I guess is what you would say. She graduated from her level that she was in. Ooh, knocking stuff over. She graduated from the level that she was in for her swimming classes. So now she's actually in the same class as Scotty. Yeah, so that's interesting. Like they're in the same class together and they actually did really well. I was really nervous because I was like, well, I don't want Scotty to get discouraged if he's in there with her. And I also didn't want them messing around and, trying to play with each other while, they're trying to be taught in their swimming classes. So, but they did really good. They did really well. So yeah, I'm excited. They're both in the same class, and I've been able to get them in classes at the same time. So I'm only going to the swimming school twice a week, which is what I want. You know, the less exposure, the better. Luckily, the school is requiring everyone wear masks when they go inside, which is nice. They were kind of being wishy-washy about it before, and I was like, no, that's wrong, and I don't like that. Yeah, you guys, I think this is it. But yeah, so if I get my contract at the end of this week, I'll probably have my legal review this week. And if I don't have any changes I need to make, then they will send it back to the guys' lawyer, and he will, or their lawyer, I don't know, their lawyer could be girl, I'm not sure. Their lawyer will have the guys sign it first, so they'll have to sign it and get it notarized. And then they will send it to me. They'll like email a scanned copy to me. And then James and I, not just me, but my husband will too. We will have to sign it and get it notarized. And then that's it. So this part's actually pretty quick. It was honestly the longest part was just waiting for the contract to be written and to be taken care of. So okay, so I am going to go through and write everything out. I'm going to use my Sharpie Ultra Fine Point pen. It works great. I don't feel the need to have to buy a different pen. I like how this looks. So yeah, so I'm going to go through. We'll write everything out, and then we will go and add in some fun stickers. Okay, here we are. Here is everything all written out. The kit had one of these stickers in it, and so I decided I'll put my meals in there, which, I had to write super small because my meals are quite wordy. But so how I usually do my meal plan is I meal plan on Friday, I get my groceries Saturday, and that's the start of my meal planning week is Saturday. So that is why these two are blank, because I haven't planned for next weekend. So that's what that is. But I did my pickup order today, and dang it, they didn't have a couple of the things for my meals for Wednesday and Thursday. So when James is home from work, I'm going to need to find time to go to the grocery store this day. So I'm going to put that in here because I need to make sure I remember to go. Because I have to get this stuff or else I'm not going to be able to cook, which sucks. This is how I try to not leave the house and not go places, but, so I do my pickup order, but if they don't have some of the things I need, it means I won't be able to make those meals. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so let's decorate. I've got quite a few stickers here. So, that's one I've already used. Okay. So I've got this cute little guy here for pool time. So we're gonna go to our neighborhood pool on Tuesday because we like to go to the neighborhood pool in the mornings because honestly that's when my kids are best behaved. But also because that's when no one goes. No one goes to the pool at that time. So usually it's just us there, which is nice. It keeps us away from other people. So we're going to go to the pool that day. Let's see. And then we're doing grocery runs. So we're going to get some Happy Groceries stickers right here. Perfect. And then the guys get a Happy Girl sticker right there. Okay, and then I'm going to put this coffee drinking doodle girl. I usually put her on Wednesdays, but since I have that sticker haul video going up there, I'm going to put it right here. Let's see. Now I need something for this meal plan. I need more doodle girls, you guys. I don't want to use another happy one. Let's see what I've got. Let's see what we've got in our notebook here. Oh, okay. Let's do this girl sitting at the computer. because that's actually what I do when I'm doing my meal planning is I sit here at the kitchen table, which is where I am right now, and I've got like my notebook and my laptop and everything out and ready to go so I can plan. I keep all of my recipes on my laptop. I keep them kind of saved in bookmarks because I prefer to have everything in one place. I used to have like bookmarks, and then I have cookbooks, and then I would use Pinterest too to kind of keep recipes saved, but it was kind of getting a little just too much stuff. It was just too much. So now anytime I find something on Pinterest, I'll save it on my Pinterest board, but then I will bookmark the location of the recipe so that I can find it that way. So I have my computer out, and then I have my Kroger app open so that I can add stuff there, and I've got a notebook, and I've got my meal planning sheet, and I look like I'm planning for some sort of takedown, but honestly, I'm planning a takedown of the grocery store. Not really. Yeah, that's it for this week. It's a lot of fluff stuff in here, you know, like I don't actually have a lot going on, but I am using those stickers, you guys. I am making this work. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will keep y'all posted. Don't forget to look out for my sticker haul video. I actually filmed that before I started filming this one. That's going to come out on Wednesday, so subscribe to my channel to make sure you get notified when it comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye. Do you see yourself?
Yes.
What do you think?
Good.
Okay.